sun decided to come out for a little bit, so I figured let's go sit outside for a little bit. I've got the puppies right next to me. Mr. Lucifer's got his head through the thing. I got some kitties playing. Can we leave the kitties alone? You don't need to play with them too. They're playing by themselves. And my big baby, Mr. Poseidon. Right here by Mom. Say hi. Such a cool boy. And then this mug. This mug, the baby's mug. The baby's mug. He doesn't like putting his head up. I think he knows. It's like Hot Mom's videoing. I'm not going to show my face. Trick him and move my iced coffee because he seems to want that. We thought the weather was going to stay icky. We had a storm come through, but it passed already. So now the sun came out. It's just still really windy outside. Oh, Lucifer. Say bye-bye, Poseidon.